Hi, hello, namaste, my dear friends and students. My name is Krishna Reddy, founder of Aparnika Reddy Institute of Mathematics and Sciences, aims to success made in India. Today I came with a new trick and a new video. Today I wanted to discuss with you mathematical induction. It is a very easy chapter and scoring also. Today I wanted to discuss with you this question with a neat and cute explanation and step by step. So if you follow my steps, you will get a 100% correct answer. So you can listen carefully, my dear students. So I wanted to explain you question by using mathematical induction. Prove that 1 into 2 into 3 plus 2 into 3 into 4 plus 3 into 4 into 5 plus and so on up to n terms equal to n into n plus 1 into n plus 2 into n plus 3 by 4 for all n belongs to n. This is a question, my dear students. I wanted to go to directly aims there to success solution. So here one thing you can verify, my dear students. We are not having nth term. So क्या करना है? nth term नहीं है तो find करना. nth term आना. So nth term कैसा आना? First value is 1 first position, 2 first position, 3 first position. So I wanted to write like shortly first place values 1, 2, 3 and so on are in AP. Here A is equals to first value 1 and D is equal to second value minus first value 2 minus 1 is equals to 1. Here nth term of Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. So this value you can substitute A value 1 plus n minus 1 into D value 1. This is equals to 1 plus n minus 1 into 1 is n minus 1 only plus 1 minus 1 get cancelled. First place nth term is here now and we can go to second place. So according to the given question, second place values are 2, 3, 4 and so on are in AP. So here first place A is equals to 2. Second next to D value, common differential D value, second value minus first value. I mean 3 minus 2 is equals to 1. Next nth term Tn is equals to A plus n minus 1 into D. AP nth term A plus n minus 1 into D. Here A value is 2 plus n minus 1 into D value is 1. So simplify 2 plus n minus 1 into 1 is n minus 1. This can be written as n is the same. 2 minus 1 is plus 1. So second place nth term is n plus 1. Next I wanted to write a third place. So in third place values are 3, 4, 5 and so on are in AP. So here first term A is equals to 3. D value, second value minus first value 4 minus 3 is equals to 1. A value 3, D value 1. So here nth term in an AP, Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Here A value is 3 plus n minus 1 into D value is 1. So simplify 3 plus n minus 1 into 1 is n minus 1. So simplify n as it is 3 minus 1 is plus 2. So first place nth term is n, second place nth term is n plus 1, third place nth term is n plus 2. Now I wanted to write a total given question nth term of the given problem. That is first place n into second place n plus 1 into third place nth term is n plus 2. So complete this value you have to substitute in the given question. That is 1 into 2 into 3 plus 2 into 3 into 4 plus 3 into 4 into 5 plus and so on plus nth term of this question is n into n plus 1 into n plus 2 is equals to RHS value is n into n plus 1 into n plus 2 into n plus 3 by 4 for all n belongs to n. So we got nth term for this question. So already I have discussed it with you in previous questions. After getting nth term, you can write that complete statement s of n. So after writing complete this value s of n, this is dividing into 3 parts. N is equal to 1, n is equal to k, n is equal to k plus 1. So first of all, n is equals to 1. If n is equals to 1, then s of 1. So I am taking LHS. LHS means nth term. So what is nth term here? n into n plus 1 into n plus 2. n की जगह में एक substitute करना. So 1 into 1 plus 1 into 1 plus 2. So this value can be written as 1 into 1 plus 1 is 2 into 1 plus 2 is 3. Here 1 2 are 2, 2 3 are 6. LHS का वैल्यू 6 आ गया और RHS वैल्यू लेना. RHS वैल्यू क्या है? n into n plus 1 into n plus 2 into n plus 3 divided by 4. इधर n की जगह में एक वैल्यू सब्स्टिट्यूट करना. 1 into 1 plus 1 into 1 plus 2 into 1 plus 3 divided by 4. So normal simplification is equals to 1 into 1 plus 1 is 2 into 1 plus 2 is 3 into 1 plus 4 1 plus 3 is 4 divided by 4. 4 4 cancel remaining 1 2 are 2 2 3 are 6. So LHS का वैल्यू 6 आ गया, RHS का वैल्यू 6 आ गया. Therefore LHS का वैल्यू RHS का वैल्यू सेम आ गया. Therefore LHS is equal to RHS means close your eyes and write s of 1 is true. Our first step successfully completed. Now what are we going to do? Second step. Second step means suppose that s of k is true for some k belongs to n. Second step is s of k is true for some k belongs to n. So here you can remember, my dear students, s of k means n is equal to k in s of n. That is 1 into 2 into 3 plus 2 into 3 into 4 plus 3 into 4 into 5 plus and so on plus k into k plus 1 into k plus 2 equal to RHS. Also you can substitute n is equal to k. That is k into k plus 1 into k plus 2 into k plus 3 by 4. This is s of k. So after getting this s of k, one important star step is adding k plus 1th term on both sides in s of k. In s of k step you can add k plus 1th term. How do you get k plus 1th term? I will tell you my logic. Don't worry, I am here. Why do you fear my logic? You can remember each and every question in this mathematical induction chapter. nth term लेना, n की जगह में k plus 1 substitute करना और simplification करना. So one more time I will tell you my logic is to get k plus 1th term, to you can take nth term, substitute n is equal to k plus 1 in that nth term and a little bit simplification. Here nth term is n into n plus 1 into n plus 2. Here you can substitute n is k plus 1. We get k plus 1 into k plus 1 plus 1 into k plus 1 plus 2. To simplify, we get k plus 1 into k plus 1 plus 1 is k plus 2 into k plus 1 plus 2 is k plus 3. This value add in s of k on both sides. We get 1 into 2 into 3 plus 2 into 3 into 4 plus 3 into 4 into 5 and so on plus k into k plus 1 into k plus 2 plus adding value is k plus 1 into k plus 2 into k plus 3. This is LHS of S of k. So is equal to RHS value you can write as it is k into k plus 1 into k plus 2 into k plus 3 by 4. This is RHS. After that adding k plus 1th term. What is the k plus 1th term here? K plus 1 into k plus 2 into k plus 3. Here नीचे कुछ भी नहीं है तो by 1 लिखना. If it is not there any value for this denominator you can write by 1 and you can check it what is the LCM of 4 and 1. That is LCM is 4. So here 4 and 4 matching means you can write k into k plus 1 into k plus 2 into k plus 3. After that plus. Now you can verify. Here LCM is 4 but we are having only 1. So 4 से multiply करना, 4 से divide करना. 4 to multiply and 4 divide. So 4 into remaining value k plus 1 into k plus 2 into k plus 3. After taking LCM we can verify what is the repeating value. K plus 1 is repeating, k plus 2 is repeating, k plus 3 is repeating. So you can take a common k plus 1, k plus 2, k plus 3. After that the remaining value is k plus 4 divided by 4. After completing this LCM step you can verify from RHS n is equal to k plus 1 is getting or not. So k plus 1 same, k plus 2 is k plus 1 plus 1, k plus 3 is k plus 1 plus 2, k plus 4 is k plus 1 plus 3 divided by 4. I want to write RHS. RHS is n into n plus 1 into n plus 2 into n plus 3 by 4. This is RHS. You can verify. n की जगह में k plus 1, n की जगह में k plus 1 getting. So n plus you are getting k plus 1. Therefore our S of k plus 1 is satisfying. That is true. By the mathematical induction the given statement S of n is true. Why? Because n is equal to k plus 1 is satisfying in RHS. So my dear students, I think you understand my neat step-by-step explanation. So many questions are there in the description box. It is in the below of this video. It is below of this video. In those playlists, so many super shortcuts are there within fraction of 10 seconds for useful for competitive exam purpose. So many topic-wise, subject-wise questions also there to get board exam, state board exam. So you can verify, my dear students. You can follow those questions and procedure. I wish you all the very best. Take care. Bye bye. Thank you.
టు గెట్ సక్సెస్ ఏ ఫ్రెండ్ ఇన్ నీడ్ ఏ ఫ్రెండ్ ఇన్ డీడ్ ఆపదలో ఆదుకునేవాడే నిజమైన స్నేహితుడు. థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్ ఫర్ వాచింగ్ మై వీడియో. ఇఫ్ యూ సాటిస్ఫై విత్ మై ఎక్స్ప్లెనేషన్ ప్లీజ్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ అవర్ ఛానల్, సపోర్ట్ విత్ అస్, షేర్ టు యువర్ ఫ్రెండ్స్, లైక్, కమెంట్ టు దిస్ వీడియో. థ్యాంక్ యూ. సబ్కా మాలిక్ ఏక్ హై. ప్రార్థించే పెదవుల కన్నా సాయం చేసే చేతులే మిన్న. జాయ్ ఆఫ్ షేరింగ్ ఈజ్ కేరింగ్ అండ్ హెల్పింగ్.